Hey how teachers and kids, are you ready for the letter L? It makes the sound oh, oh, oh. Shall we sing it?
We lick our lollipops, we lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 we lick our lollipops.
Okay, now here are some words that begin with a L sound. Lamp. Lion. Ladybug. Leaves. Lamb. Now it's your turn to work. Your job is to spot the letter L in the words that follow. Ready? Lollipop. Smelly. Yellow. Doll. Jelly. Very good. Now, let's do some writing. Let's welcome our blue solid line, red broken line, blue solid line, and green broken line. Now, the L is a tall letter. So it starts from the very top blue solid line and it comes all the way down to the other blue solid line. Okay? Shall we begin? So from the top, we go down. Again, top, down. So it's blue to blue. Top, down. Okay, why don't you do it yourself twice? Top, say it, down. From the top, down. Okay, well done. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next letter. Bye!